Hey guys, and welcome back to Contently Living. And as you can see today, I have another detail that I'm going to be fixing up. This is a vehicle that we're going to be selling, but it needs some major TLC. So I'm going to start with vacuuming it out, removing all of the personal items, and then of course I will finish with my Bissel SpotClean Pro to get the seats nice and clean. But if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And I hope that you enjoy the transformation and stick around for those before and after pictures. I'm starting with the back seats where there's a lot more dirt, crumbs, and sand. And as I vacuum, I realize the hard red substance on the seat is melted crayon, that it's not gum. So I'm actually very curious to see how well the Bissel SpotClean Pro will do on these stains. Now moving on to the floors, I like to pass over it with a brush to loosen up some of the dirt from the carpet, and then I don't have to pass over it so many times with a vacuum. Definitely makes this job a little less taxing. A big challenge that I had was the vacuum with this bulky shop vac, but if you guys know of any inexpensive car vacuums that work pretty well, comment down below and let me know. Once again, using my brush to loosen up the dirt so that I can vacuum it up pretty easily. But I am going to go back through and wipe all of this down with cleaner to make sure that there is no dirt, dust, or sand left. As far as dirt is concerned, the back seats were definitely worse, but the front seats still have a lot of stains that the Bissel needs to get up. The darker interior and cheaper carpet makes it a little bit more difficult to get that brand new clean look, but I'm going to try to make it look as best as it can with the tools that I have. I just took a simple household cleaner in a spray bottle just to clean all the dust and spills and other grime off the hard surfaces of the car. But if you know of a good quality cleaner, I'm open to your suggestions, and just comment down below. Now on to one of my favorite parts of the whole car detailing process, and that's getting the seats clean. And as you can see, there are a lot of stains in these seats, and I'm always very curious to see how close I can get them to looking like brand new. And so for that today, I'm going to be using my drill brush to agitate the stains in the fabric and then removing them with the Bissel SpotClean Pro, which I've used in other videos before, and I'm always very happy with the results. But I'll link those videos down below in the description so you can go and check those out as well. I just sprayed the fabric liberally with water and my household cleaning solution. Nothing fancy, just what I have around my house, and I'm using the drill brush just to agitate those seats so the stains will be removed a lot easier when I go over it with the SpotClean Pro. Here's the melted crayon that I mentioned earlier, and I wanted to see how well I could clean with just the drill brush and the SpotClean Pro, and in the end I was actually pleasantly surprised. Already I can see some brown water being sucked up through the hose, so I know these seats are getting a good deep clean and that they were dirtier than what I originally thought. If you look in this area here, there's a pretty sizable brown stain here. So I'm gonna kind of focus on this area to see if I can remove all of that from the fabric. Not sure what that was, but the water coming out of here was very brown and very nasty. I also want to mention this is not a sponsored video. I just found this product and I just happen to really love it. I think that it does a really good job. And in my little amateur car detailing videos, I just wanted to share it with you. But yes, this is not a sponsored video. This is my opinion. I paid for the Bissel SpotClean Pro with my own money, but I do really, really like the product. There's still a faint hint of red from the crayon, so I'm going to go over it a little bit more with the brush and the SpotClean Pro, but I'm starting to see more and more red come up with every pass, and it's looking pretty good to me. This by far was the dirtiest seat. I have way more brown spots coming up through the hose, but I'm going through it over and over and I'm seeing more clear water come up, so I know that it's nice and clean. I am not afraid to spray these seats down with a lot of cleaning and water solution because I want to make sure that I'm getting all the stains out of the fabric, not just the stains, but also the odor that is trapped in the fabric will come out as well with the deep cleaning. So I spray it on very liberally. I'm not afraid of that. And luckily today it was very, very hot. So it dried the car out pretty well. I just cracked the windows through the night, but the next day the car was completely dried and it smelled so much better inside. Sadly, by this point, my drill brush died and I did not have an extra battery, but I needed to just go through and finish the vehicle already, get it all cleaned up so it could start drying. But I'm just glad that I was able to use it on the really bad stains on the seats, but I think it still turned out pretty well, despite the fact that I wasn't able to use the drill brush the whole time. Now let's get these stains out of the front seats. Me and my circular motion trying to mimic the effects of the drill brush. Yep, not the same. Luckily, these seats were not that dirty, and I was able just to get away with doing a couple of passes over them, and the water was already coming out clear. So I was really happy about that, but I was very, very impressed with how well the vacuum did on these seats. Finally, all done. I just wanted to show you guys how nasty this water was that was coming out of there. Like, I was shocked at how gross and dark and thick it was. But now on to remember exactly what it looked like before and where it came from and what it looks like now. Well guys, thank you for joining me again for this amateur car detailing video. I hope that you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit that button, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.